Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says that when this verse, if there will be 20 of you patient, they will overcome 200, was revealed, it was stipulated on the Muslims that one Muslim must not flee confronting 10 infidels. Sufyan bin Uyayna many a time said, 20 Muslims must not take to flight confronting 200 infidels. Thereafter, this verse was revealed. Now Allah has lightened your burden. So it was enjoined that 100 Muslims must not escape facing 200 infidels. Once Sufyan also added that this verse was revealed. Urge the Muslims to wage holy war. If there will be 20 of you patient, Sufyan says that Ibn Shibruma says, I think the same proposition or ruling goes with the matter of bidding good and forbidding evil. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4652.